straight. Good. Good. Driver a little bit. There you go. All right, drive side's gonna come up. Come on. Keep going. Good.
Oh man, today started off really easy. You know, we got everything sorted with the car from last night's crazy run, Red Clay Rally Day 1. We finished successfully, nothing broken, everything was great. Started off the day smooth, and 10 minutes into the run, just simple creek crossing, like nothing even crazy, like the rear axle just snapped out of nowhere. So, totally unexpected. We weren't doing anything crazy, so we had to winch back up this hill, and it took us about 5 hours to winch back and tow back and then winch and tow more. So it's been quite the journey. Leo just ran up to the top of the hill where the road was and just happened to come across a guy with a Jeep that broke down, and he had a 2-car hauler, and the guy nicely enough offered to give us a tow back. So we're actually on the back of the trailer right now, getting hauled back to camp. So we're gonna pack it all up. I brought spare parts for everything: alternator, starter, front axles, but the only thing I didn't bring was a set of rear axles. It's not common that those fail. I've never had one break. I've never seen one personally break. So it's the first time for us. Lesson learned. We had a great time at Red Clay Rally. Wish we could have made it through day 2, but we're gonna tow it back home, fix our axles, button her up, and then head west.
How your product's doing?
Everything's holding up except for Porsche's products.
A little bit more.